the biggest challenge is to educate the client or family. One of the biggest challenge today is to educate family about the need of financial planning. And many times what happened, some of the participants have said that for client it is difficult to differentiate between the agents and planner. How I can understand this is agent, this is planner? Because in doctor we go and doctor treat us, okay, because there is a problem, and there is a we have to go doctor, chartered accountant, lawyer. So there is a clear-cut professional approach is there. We treat them as a professional. But in case of planner, again we have to do a wellness activity, because client may not able to understand the need, and we are a wellness activity. So in that condition, it is very important that we have to overcome the challenge of educating, and that's the reason I have prepared the 7 key benefits of making financial plan. How we can educate the clients benefit. I'll quickly read, and that time we'll discuss in detail, so it will help you to understand how I can educate my client. So I mentioned 7 key benefits of making your family comprehensive financial plan with CFP practitioner. 8 out of 10 family has an average that you need to share with your prospective client family. Today 8 out of 10 family has an average to poor financial health because of the higher lifestyle investment, higher lifestyle expenses or wrong investment. Check your financial health. So I'll help you to check your financial health, where you stand. One is poor, weak, average, good, very good, excellent, and prepare a roadmap to improve it to good to excellence. Help you to reduce your family's monthly expense by minimum 10%. आप किसी को बताएंगे कि if your monthly household expense is 50,000 per month, and if you meet me personally, okay, and you involve with me and follow guidelines of financial planning, your monthly expense will be reduced by 45,000. So anyone would like to meet now, because you are helping to save 5,000. Definitely he has to save, but you are educating how to save. Third is you help client to become a debt free. So you plan to reduce your loan EMI. How I'll help you to reduce the EMI? Suppose if you are paying a 50,000 EMI per month, I'll help you, okay, to reduce to 45,000, okay, and help you to be a debt free. So you can pay off for your loan in particular period, 3 to 5 years period. Most important is install financial antivirus. Help to avoid capital loss or poor return by avoiding the investment mistake. So I always say to participant, okay, or most of the investors in our country, or most of the people, they are emotional, we know. And we have to help them from emotional to logical. So why people are making a loss? I was reading one article where some of the real estate, because there is one new law came in real estate investment, RERA, Real Estate Regulation Act. So today one of the article was sharing 70% property are selling under construction property. And there is a highest chance of fraud in under construction property, because you don't know whether builder has a land having a required certification or required permission to start the construction. So, but today why 70% are selling the pre-construction project, or you can say under construction product? Because the highest commission earned by the maybe builder, or highest income earned by the real estate agent, etc. Okay, everyone is driving the under construction property. So our objective is that when we do a emotional investment, I'll keep specific investment here, but otherwise in broad sense any decision when we do a emotional, in short term it may be a helpful, short term may be helpful, but in long term you may have a chance of higher loss. Logical decision in short term may be a painful, okay, but in long term it is a give you always good fit. So we have to help our client. Okay, today 8 out of 10 people by default they are their decision, कोई भी decision तो ऑटोमेटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट का डिसीजन भी क्या होगा, इमोशनली होगा ना. आज मैं किसी को बताऊं कि यू गिव मी मनी, आई डबल इन 1 year, so without thought कि where money will be doubled, because suppose if I am giving you option to doubling your money in 1 year period, so before investing with me you have to understand what is my business, how I'll double my money, or how I'll be able to make triple or faster double, so I can able to give you double in 12 months, na? Because I have to also take care of my expenses as a business, okay, also pay the commission those who are selling my product. So in that condition, until we will not think logical, we will end with the financial loss, capital loss. So here most important thought process change, we can say we help you to change your thought process, help you to change your thought process, and it is not possible in one meeting, it will take maybe a year time to completely sync from the emotion to logical. So today you are 80% emotional and 20% logical. So after when you complete this prepare the financial plan with us, you will find yourself 80% logical and 20% emotional. So that's how you will be able to reduce your mistakes. Okay, so today you are making a example more mistakes, you will have a less mistake. So less mistake will comes to a good return on your investment. You will be able to achieve your financial goal. Okay, and it will be a win-win situation for you.